Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlink app from your Nintendo Switch for parental control. So to do this you will need to know your PIN and you can check it by using an app. So you need to open the app. I have a fingerprint scanner, so I'm gonna scan my fingerprint. Now we need to go to settings right here, go to PIN, and here you should see your PIN. Now we're gonna switch back to Nintendo Switch and press go to set. I'm gonna show you from beginning. We go to settings, parental control, and link app, and from here we'll need to enter this PIN right here. So for me it's very simple. It's 3 3 3 3. So like this. And now the app will inform me if I actually want to unlink it. I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna press OK, and it's unlinked. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.